Anokusiya panyanga zamshore.
He'll leave you between a rock and a hard place.
Yes, Pastor Kufa.
Hello, Pastor Kufa.
This
church would have been closed a long time ago.
Yeah. Now you know
the issue, so let's leave it.
But Ndafa.
But I was dead. I was on the verge of death.
Ndafa.
I was gone.
Ndafa.
I was gone.
And you know that you can, it's allowed to hunt. There are places where you can hunt in this country. You actually pay good Ndaguraya, Nzo, Ndaguraya Shumba,
an elephant,
Ndaguraya
a lion,
Ndaguraya Noro. You pay.
Antelope.
No basa rema game park.
That's the job of money. So we didn't have meat that day.
So nengoa kuti uri mumota imomo muchidriver.
So whilst you're
mukati megame park muchitendera kudai so ndobataona maziso
the game park
netochi ndakatoisa panapa tochi yepichapo ndiri mumota tsvaga muriwo
and we're looking
noona maziso
and then I saw eyes.
Chakandishamisa kuti assistant wangu
What shocked
anga achidriver ndiye akatanga kuaona maziso yo
chichi was driving was the first one to see. And he screams, what is that?
My braking mvaiswa mugear mvaya reverse.
He slammed on the brakes and he reversed that car. He said, I saw those two eyes. And I said, that's an animal. Now, as I'm still speaking, I hear the door is open. The man is outside already. And he's saying, let's go, let's go. And I said, but those eyes. The eyes of such a creature.
Are green, blue, yeah.
Have a green,
But
now these ones, they seem to have a reddish hue. That kind of red. That's dangerous. And I said, and he said, no, let's go.
All right.
I say, okay.
And
I'm also carrying my own gun and I'm following. He's got his own gun. They seem to, and then we spot them and then we follow after. Because those are very sensitive to light, so squint against the light, so we can't find the animal. But it's right next to us now. Then it opened its eyes. I said, Pastor, this is a leopard, isn't it? This is in the night, and it's a leopard. I said,
now, my
understanding is that these things don't fall from heaven. There is a mother somewhere.
Pastor.
And I said, Pastor. What this means is that
somewhere.
The mother is somewhere.
As we are
having a discussion, we hear rustling in the bush.
Here was the challenge. I
have my armor bearer, right? And he's in front, right? And I'm following behind him.
Saka isusu manje uza karoti kakadai so tasiya mota yakapaka yavhenika ukandi
Now
ndizvo.
it's a narrow road.
Takubva
We've left the
kuno
car.
kuti tiri kukwenya.
So we are running, coming from this
Hapana
side.
kunamata ipapa ina
No one is praying at this point. We are running.
Saka iri door iri manje
Now-
ndora passenger.
Now this passenger side door of the car
Ra driver kusero.
is on the one side, and the driver's door is on the other side of the vehicle.
Saka ndiri kuti driver paanozonopoterera kusero.
So my thinking is that by the time that the driver gets around the car, so he
Anenge
can
abatwa
open
ndiri
his door,
padhuze ne.
he will have been caught. I myself will be safe as I get in through the passenger door.
Straight baba kananga pane rangu iro rumba
The man
apinda.
went straight for my door without even thinking
Ndobva
about it.
rakiyiwa.
And then he locked it.
Baba kubata dhoso zvikanzi endai nekuseri.
I'm trying to open the door, and then he says, go around, go to the other side.
Dai nyaya iri kunyepa ndakaikanganwa kudhara asi ndoramba chiita kusvika akumbira riregerera.
Had this been allowed, I've long since forgotten about this issue. But I keep
unonga
saying it so
kutovheneka
that he
netochiso
asks
kutoona kuti
forgiveness.
mumota mune munhu kavo zvikanzi endaiwo.
So I'm touching, and I can see that there's someone in the car, and he says, go around to the other side.
So I was asking takufamba takuenda ndikati
So as we were driving away, I'm asking,
ndiro kuti chechi yese iri kutotemba kuti
do you know that the whole church is trusting
I'm
that
safe.
I am safe?
Danger. So calculation iri mumusoro iri kuti
So the calculation in the mind is saying,
baba pavanozobatwa
by the time that this thing catches,
pachadyiwa kubva kutsoka
But-
uko.
from the time that it starts eating it from his feet,
savimbe nemunhu.
don't put your trust in people.
Savimbe nemunhu.
Don't trust in people.
Aiwa akufara zvona.
No, it's just a joke.
But all I'm saying is, you know, when people are in trouble, when they encounter situations out there, they always find a way of bringing problems to you. They always find a way. They actually enjoy when you are as sad as they are. Yeah. Vanhu hazvivaitire zvakanaka kuti yakabatikana anonzwa vanhu vachirova chikweva vachiseka.
They don't seem to enjoy it when they are going through a tough time and they hear other people laughing.
Because to them, if they are not happy, everyone else should not be happy. But hey, mwene umwe life yake.
Everybody's got their own
You can
life.
make a decision, choose to manifest in a different way. Could I choose to be happy? I choose to be excited. From today, I'll make a decision that I'm going to enjoy my life to the fullest, no matter what. No matter what. You have to enjoy your life. If you're not enjoying this manifestation, make some adjustments. Put away some few things. These things, they always make us sad. They always make